Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming essentials, device, connectivity, and a signed-in Google account, because Google Pay ties to your identity and device. Open the Google Pay app or download it now, tap Get Started and add the phone number tied to your account. Once done, choose Personal or Business. Make sure to select the correct profile because verification differs. Next, prepare your bank card or bank account details. Keep a photo ID handy, in case Google requests identity checks for higher limits. You now add a payment method. This is the core. Tap Add Payment Method and pick card or bank, using the camera speed's input, but manual entry works too. Then verify the card. Expect an SMS code, small authorization charge, or a pop-up in your bank app. Complete that step so transactions will clear. If you want Tap to Pay, enable NFC and confirm a secure screen lock. This prevents unauthorized use. Finally, set preferred payment for in-store versus online purchases to avoid declines. Finish by reviewing settings, set your default payment method, enable notifications, and confirm biometric or PIN security, because that unlocks payments quickly and safely. Test with a small $1 purchase in store or online. Check the activity feed to confirm successful processing and tokenization. If something goes wrong, first update card details and confirm the bank didn't block the token. Then contact your bank about limits or holds. Reinstall the app only if problems persist. This refreshes tokens and can resolve stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.